Welcome to the Tell Me project. The object of this presentation is the component of Tell Me called Video Content Management System, shortly VCMS, that is the multimedia content administration platform of the project. It is based on Pixel VCMS, a well-established video asset and CMS that is being used by several top-tier broadcasters, telcos and media companies globally. In Tell Me, the VCMS is positioned within the Virtual World Internet of Content platform, a component providing a service platform for networked media ingestion and channeling, which includes a media ingestion component, a streaming engine, the multimedia repository, and a smart player. Media ingestion is about how the repository can be populated. It is an IP-based component with the files to be ingested, which must be shared on a watch folder, a remote space where a script periodically processes for transcoding and storage within the Tell Me repository. Besides, a mobile client allows the blue-collar workers to upload tagged media content to the system directly from the workplace. As far as the video streaming, VCMS exploits a multi-channel streaming engine based on Apache Web Server, H.264 MPEG-4 AVC protocol, and back-end RESTful services for requesting the video content basing on the considered context, that is, the desired video quality and bitrate according to the workplace characteristics. Finally, on the client side, an HTML5-based smart player able to play enriched and annotated multimedia content is provided. This player is enhanced with speech recognition capabilities based on Google Speech API. As I said, what we are going to focus on in this presentation is the VCMS. VCMS is aimed at managing the media repository contents in a visual way, supporting the complete life cycle of assets and of the related metadata. Hence, the intended target is the platform administrator or the trainer. Some details about the technology and architecture. VCMS is built around a communication middleware used to coordinate the integration between the different software modules. The communication bus is based on a JMS open technology. The platform is developed in Java, except for some functions such as ingestion and video editing functionalities that, for the sake of efficiency, have been developed in C++. Full support of XML and XSL standards is provided. Oracle, MS SQL Server, and IBM DB2 are the supported databases. From a functional point of view, the VCMS framework is mainly composed by the following components: a VCMS server providing the engine for metadata management and the content workflow. It exposes a set of web-based user interfaces by means of a SOAP service, that is Publishing Center, Administration Center, Modeling Tool, and Modeling Tool. Then we have VCMS feed shells, providing an execution environment for asynchronous jobs, called feeds, ideally suited for ingestion, processing, and the processing of video assets and their associated metadata, images, and subtitles. This includes modules for the acquisition of content supplied by third-party providers and a set of functionalities to perform operations on media content, for example, cut, transcoding, indexing, metadata extract, and frame extract. A runtime provides configurable and highly scalable delivery of selected metadata to clients. And as I said, among the tools provided by the VCMS, the one of a major interest for Tell Me is the Publishing Center. Publishing Center, whose main functionalities are browsing, filtering, and search of media assets, the tagging of the media contents, video segmentation, and annotation. Let's now have a demo of the functionalities of VCMS. First, we must log into the Tell Me administration homepage. we enter the dashboard of the backend system of the Tell Me project, from which each different component of the backend may be accessed. Let's select the VCMS and enter the Tell Me VCMS Publishing Center. Let's select contents and video assets on the left side in order to access the multimedia content of the Tell Me project. We have two different views. One, this current one is a list view. Then there is also a thumbnail grid showing the same multimedia content. Let's select, we can of course browse, filter and search for the stuff. Let's select one video and enter in the detailed page related to it. In the center we have metadata information such as the title, the description, a category which comes directly from the Tell Me taxonomy. Technical information are format, duration, file length, frame width, frame height, frame rate, video bit rate and audio bit rate. And on the right side of the page there is the video with which is possible to preview. It is possible to create a thumbnail. We can open the video editor, which allows the user to edit the whole video. So, for example, cut some parts in order to have a new video. We can download it or edit tag, which means that we can segment the video in different videos that we call tag, and this functionality represents the one of major interest for the Tell Me project. In this case, we can see that the video has associated already three tags. So in order to show how is the process to cut the video, we remove the tags and repeat the process to show how users can segment the video. After the transition has been executed, we can open again the video tagger. Okay, in order to segment the video, there are two options. The first is to use these two symbols. The first one to mark in the beginning of the segment, and the second one to mark in the ending of the video. So, for example, we want to segment the video with a first segment, a first tag beginning from 0 seconds. And we want, for example, finish the video segment, the first segment, at 23rd second. So we can wait for the right point and push this button. We add a description to the segment, save changes with the Tell Me taxonomy, close the window and store the content by selecting this option, Save Content. By selecting the Save Content button, we also send the video to the main Contents Manager of Tell Me, creating in this way a new learning content. We can keep creating segments. for example, with the second option, which is represented by inserting directly within these fields the right timing. So in case we already know which are the timing for begin and for ending the video, we can directly insert them in here. So for example 23 ending at 36:10. We add the description, varnishing, and save changes. Tell me taxonomy. Finally, the third video, the third segment, ending 51 seconds. Final varnishing of the chair. Again, save changes. Close. And save content. Doing so, as I said, we create the learning content. Just a few seconds waiting for the transition to be executed, and check the video and its 3 tags. The first one, second tag, and the third tag. That's all for the VCMS. Thank you for your attention.